Thousands of years ago, people didn't go to the beach to relax. They went there to get treatment. They would bury their entire bodies in the hot sand and wake up feeling healthy. No medicine, no doctor, no machine, just the sun, sand, and a secret that the modern world has forgotten. Today, I'm bringing that secret back. Today, millions of people suffer from joint pain, swelling, heaviness, and fatigue, taking expensive medications and applying creams. But it doesn't matter, because they are looking for a cure in the store while the cure is on the beach. Ibn Sina wrote in Al-Qanun that applying dry heat to the body draws out excess moisture from within and gives new strength to the joints and muscles. And that dry heat was sand. Benefit number 1, excess moisture from the body. If the body is swollen, heavy, or swollen, it is because of water retention. Hot sand draws this moisture out through the skin, which Ibn Sina called the expulsion of harmful moisture, and the same principle is used in today's sauna therapy. Benefit number 2, joint pain and arthritis. The deep, dry heat of the sand goes deeper than a heating pad, loosening the stiffness of the joints and reducing inflammation. According to Al-Razi, this is the best treatment for joints that ache in the cold. Benefit number 3, skin cleansing. Al-Ghafiqi wrote that people with skin diseases were buried in the sand of the beach because the minerals and heat of the sand together deeply cleanse the skin. Benefit number 4, muscle fatigue. Today's athletes spend money on heat therapy, while ancient healers got the same result for free. Benefit number 5, peace of mind. After hot sand treatment, a person feels mentally lighter and calmer. According to Ibn Sina, when the body removes waste products, the mind automatically clears. Procedure. Step 1. Choose the right time, from 10 a.m. to noon, when the sand is moderately warm but not dangerously hot. Step 2. Wet the body slightly so that the sand sticks better and the heat is transferred. Step 3. Bury yourself in the sand. Cover your entire body from the neck down, keep your head out, and stay for 15 to 20 minutes. Step 4. Breathe slowly and let your body absorb the heat. Step 5. Get out slowly, drink water, and rest in the shade for at least 15 minutes. If there is no beach, clean sand can be heated in a cauldron, put in a cloth bag, and applied to the joints or back. This is the method also described by Al-Razi. Caution: this treatment is not for everyone. Heart patients, high blood pressure, or pregnant women should consult a doctor first, and children and the elderly should limit the time and be supervised. The ancient sages also said, this is a powerful treatment. Use it wisely and with caution.